Are you a trader? Are you trading cryptocurrency? Which area are you dwelling on? Is it on spot trading or you are new in crypto? If you are just starting this journey, because this is a journey, this is a Web3 journey, okay? So I want you to pay clear attention to this video, okay? I'm about to show you what you need to know before you start buying any coin, before you start bagging those coins and hold them in your portfolio, because this video will show you the clearer picture of what cryptocurrency really means and that token you are holding, what gives it value, okay? Have you checked the liquidity of that token? How many numbers of people are holding that token? What is the market cap of that token? What is the fully diluted volume of that token? The trading volume, have you checked it? These are the things you need to know as a crypto trader, whether you are trading spot or futures. Okay? Most especially those who are just coming into the crypto space for the first time. You are so anxious. You are so desperate. You are so emotional. Like you want to make this money. You are so desperate of making the money. Don't worry. Just calm down and watch this video. This is Dominion for real. Okay, you are welcome to this channel. This is Dominion for real. Go to YouTube and search. You will see Dominion for real. Subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I drop an update like this. Because what I'm about to show you is what people are paying money to get, but you want to get it for free now. I'm giving it out for just free of charge. I'm not charging you. Okay, so let's get started. In crypto, before you start investing or start trading in crypto, there is 2 applications I would like you to download. Number 1, it is called CoinMarketCap. Number 2, it is called Gecko Terminal. This Gecko Terminal will enable you to track the prices and the liquidity of any token. Okay, the fully diluted volume, the market cap, the numbers of holders, you will see it in that app. And this app you are seeing, it is called Gecko Terminal. Okay, is either you download Gecko Terminal or you download CoinGecko. Okay, CoinGecko is similar to CoinMarketCap. Any of them. Okay, so don't worry. We are going to use a smart contract of one token, one popular token, to track the price, to track if the liquidity is locked. Okay, because a token is being deployed on a smart contract. Smart contract is a written code, is a code, okay, that is being deployed on a don't worry, I don't want to talk about that. In my next video, I'm going to elaborate and expatiate more on that. Okay, so let's just focus on checking the liquidity of a token. Okay, so first of all, let us go to our CoinMarketCap and copy the contract address of this token so that we can really track and know what is going on in this token. Okay, in CoinMarketCap, we are just going to search for WKC, Wikicat, WKC. It is here. So we are going to search it on DexScan. You can see DexScan here. DexScan. Then you will just tap on it. When you tap on it, you come over to this place, and this is the original contract address, the code. Don't worry. Just calm down. Just calm down. Just copy the contract address. Let us go to our Gecko Terminal application. Okay, here in our Gecko Terminal application, we will just come over to this search engine. You can see the search engine here. This one. Tap on it. Okay, when you tap on it, tap on this place again. This place. Then input that contract address in this place. Just paste it there. Then leave it. It is loading. Relax. You can see WKC appears in different DEX. Okay, in different decentralized exchange. So we are going to use this first one, this one here. So we are just going to tap on it. We want to see everything about this token. It is loading. Just relax. relax. It is loading. Okay, so it just finished loading, and then you can see this token now. The market cap is 56 million market cap. Okay, so the numbers of holders are 150,000 people are holding this token currently. Okay, you can see the liquidity is $1.4 million liquidity. This is the trading volume for the past 24 hours. You can see it. This is 24 hours trading volume. This is the age of this token. How old this token is. This token is 3 years and 7 months. You can see it here. This is the FDV. This FDV means fully diluted volume. This FDV is similar to market cap. You can see it. They are almost the same. They are the same thing. Okay, what I want you to focus and look into is this place. You can see this key in white. You are seeing it. How does that key looks like? I don't want to say much on that key. How does it look like? They said the liquidity is locked, right? Okay, look at this key. Is this key locked or open? Is this key locked or open? I want you to drop your comments in the comment section of this video. I'm asking you this question now. This key, is it locked or is it open? Now we are going to click on that key. Just tap on the key. Then got it. You can see what this thing is saying. You see what this thing is saying. We click on the key. Look at what the key is saying. This pool has 1.4 million of liquidity on UNCX network, locked for 1 year. You can see it here, locked for 1 year. The liquidity is just locked for 1 year. It is not fully locked. It is not locked forever. But the owner renounced himself and told us that the liquidity is locked forever. But this result with this report is saying it is only locked for 1 year. That is why you are seeing this key like this. It is not locked. Okay, something is still missing in this place. Okay, so just tap on these holders. Don't worry, let's just give it time. Okay, after tapping on the holders, you can see we will be redirected to BSC scan, Binance Smart Chain scan. We are going to scan it. Go to BSC scan. Let us go and check something. Okay, it's loading. So we just have to wait and relax. Okay, so you can see number one person. You can see the number one person here. Then sweep it to the left. It's holding how many portion? You can see the quantity here. See the quantity. Then you can see the number one person in this place is holding 35%. This might just be the liquidity. Okay, you need to subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel. Don't worry, just subscribe. You'll be getting update back to back. Don't worry. So with this now, you can see what is going on. This is Gate.io. Gate.io is currently holding some portion of this token. Sweep it. Gate.io is holding 0.4%. You can see some wallet here. These are the holders. So, with that being said, you can see and you can also do your own personal research and come back with your own results. Okay, so that is what I want to show you in this video: how to track a liquidity of a token. Okay, how to know the liquidity, whether it is locked or not. So do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment in the comment section. You can even drop your own question in the comment section of this video. I am going to answer your question. Don't worry. All right, stay safe and stay blessed.